Hey everyone, I'm Chase, a Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the easiest way to get everything you need to do an oil change on your machine. All right, everyone, thanks for checking in. So today, real quick, we want to show you the easiest way to make sure that you get everything that you need to do an oil change on whether it's your UTV, your ATV, or your motorcycle, and it's with the Oil Change Kit from Tusk. Here's what's so nice about these. When you pick these up, and you can find these a couple different ways on our website. You can search Tusk Oil Change Kit in the search bar, or on the homepage, if you enter the make, model, and year of your machine, it will show you everything, including the oil change kit, that will fit that exact model. Now, when you pick one of these up, here's what comes included. You will get an oil filter specific to your machine. You will get either a crush washer or an O-ring, depending on what you're shopping for, one disposable funnel, and it will include enough oil to do your oil change. And when you're selecting these, it will have the recommended oil weight from your manufacturer, and there will be different oil brands that you can choose from. So whether you want to use the OEM oil that they recommend or a different brand, there will be different options there. If you do have a machine or a motorcycle, for example, to my left, this is a kit for a 2008 Honda Sierra 450R. That bike uses engine oil and transmission oil. So it will come with both, and again, enough to make sure you can do the oil change. So it will come with everything you need. It just takes any of the guesswork out of it and make sure you get everything all in one-stop shop, makes it easy. And we have a lot of great how-to videos. So make sure to get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. If you've never done an oil change before on your dirt bike, your ATV, or your UTV, give one of those a watch. It will help you out. It makes it very simple. It's a job that honestly, anybody can do. But if you do have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab your next oil change kit, just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75 ship free. If you like this little spotlight, we have a lot more just like it, so do yourself a favor, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel and stay up to date. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.